Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the video recorder of Quest3. So it will allow you to record your VR experience, and if you want later you can copy it on your PC. So I will also show you how to copy it on the PC. So when you are in your Quest, you see your library and you have this camera application. So I pinned it at the top. So if you click on it, you will see this small menu. And actually, you will think why I didn't do a record of my of this tutorial directly in Quest. Actually, it's because if I start a video record, after starting the video record, I will not see these settings anymore. So I want to show you all the menus that you will see before to click on record. So when you have this menu on the left, this is to take a picture, a photo. This one is to start the recording, video recording. This one is if you want to cast your experience on the TV, for example. So the TV should be on the same Wi-Fi that your Quest. This one is to access to the library of all the pictures and videos that you took. And this one, the most important, is the settings. It's what I want to show you now. So if you click on it, first thing, you can activate or not the microphone of your headset. So we will hear you or not during the recording. Camera view, first person, yeah, you keep it like that. Aspect ratio, you have the choice between record a square image, a vertical image, for example, for phone, or a landscape image with a HD ratio. So it's what is better if you want to show later your video on a PC or on a TV. So if you click on more settings, so here, I will not change anything. In more settings, you have casting and recording indicator. That is just a red dot that you will see that in your image that indicates you that you are recording. Of course, this red dot will not be in the final video, okay? Hide camera, this one I don't touch it. Capture marker, this one I like to change it. So what he will do, he cannot capture the full view of your VR experience. He will capture just the area. So, for example, if you pick the landscape, he will show you at the beginning a frame, and it will tell you that he will record only what there is in the frame. But this frame disappears after a few seconds. So you should, I think, change it. There is another option. So here I cannot click, it's a picture, but I think this is keep it on all the time. And this is good to do that. Otherwise, sometimes when I record an experience, I think that I record the good area, but the important element will be on top or bottom and will not be in my final video. Aspect ratio, we saw that in the previous menu. So if you go down, you will see more options. Include microphone audio and video in video recording. So this option was available in the previous menu. Automatically adjust microphone and game audio balance, okay? And this one are more for the quality. So bit rate, you can change it, increase your bit rate until 14 Mbps. So you will have a better quality. Frame rate, you can change to 60 FPS. So do it only if your experience is very smooth. Image stabilization, it's off, and you have two possibilities, medium or high. It will make the experience a little bit smoother if you turn the camera on right and left. The rest you don't need to change. So that's all. So you will record, and when you record, you have a button to stop the record at any time. And later you will see your video in the gallery. So you just click on the small icon here and you will access to your gallery. After, when you want to copy it on the PC, so here I am checking my, you will connect your USB from your headset to the PC. normally you will see a message in the headset. If it's the first time you connect it, it will ask you to accept the USB connection between PC and headset. So you accept it. After that you accept it, if you go to your Windows Explorer, you should see here the Quest 3 in the device. Okay, so I will double click. Inside you have internal shared storage. You have many folders. Be careful, don't modify or don't remove anything. But inside, not in movie, but in Oculus, okay, you have the screenshot, okay, and the video shot. So I can show you screenshots. This is some screenshots that I did before of different VR experience. And now I will go back to video shot, and here I can see the videos. So here, for example, I will double click on this one. I don't know what it is. Yeah, this one is just a video experience of a student work. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And this one, but when you have the video, you copy it on your own folder, and that's all. Thank you.